When it comes to cancer, there are so many terms that it can be confusing, not only for patients, but also for healthcare providers. In this short video, we will try to set the record straight and be clear with our cancer terminology. The first term we need to define is neoplasm, which is the umbrella term for everything else. And what better way to define it than from the authority in cancer themselves, the National Cancer Institute or NCI. According to the NCI, a neoplasm is an abnormal mass of tissue that forms when cells grow and divide more than they should, or the cells do not die when they should. Another term for neoplasm is tumor. And a neoplasm slash tumor can be either malignant, which we call cancer, or it can be benign. An old term for a benign neoplasm is benignant, but nowadays we just call it benign. The NCI continues to define malignancy slash cancer as a neoplasm that has the capacity to spread into or invade nearby or even distant tissues. A benign neoplasm, on the other hand, does not have this capacity to spread and invade. If we want to be technical about it, a neoplasm slash tumor can only be called malignant or cancer if it exhibits all of these features, the hallmarks of cancer. The gist of the hallmarks of cancer is that unlike their benign counterpart, cancer slash malignancy has the capacity for invasion and is generally more aggressive. But does this mean that benign tumors are always better than malignant tumors? The answer is actually no, not necessarily. Let's take the case of basal cell skin cancer, for example, which is the most common kind of skin cancer. Basal cell skin cancer has a very good prognosis, meaning outlook. It is usually caught at early stages. It is generally curable, and most patients live long lives unimpeded and undeterred by the cancer. In contrast, we have a benign neoplasm, a benign tumor called the giant cell tumor of bone, which is not a malignancy, it's not a cancer, but it is so locally destructive, it is so locally aggressive in the nearby bone that it can cause lasting and debilitating damage for the patient. And to follow that up, is cancer slash malignancy always a death sentence? The resounding answer is, of course, no. It's false. And we cannot emphasize this enough, especially with the advent of modern medicine. Treatments are getting more and more effective and more targeted every year. Many cancers now, especially those detected at the earlier stages, are already considered curable. Thanks for watching, and hopefully that clears up a few things about the different cancer terms.